Hello, I'm Lynn, a dietitian with NUH.
And I am Brandon, a chef based in NUH. Wow, Lynn, you are all dressed up.
Yes, because today we'll be sharing healthy recipes for a Christmas meal. Chef, what are we cooking today?
Today we will make roasted Cajun turkey with baked potatoes and sauted vegetables.
Nice! Turkey makes an important traditional Christmas meal, but I heard it's quite difficult to cook well as it tends to dry out.
Yes, but if you follow our recipe, you can make a good turkey dish.
Okay, so without further ado, let's show our audience how to do so.
First, we marinate the turkey for at least 6 hours or overnight. Here are the ingredients to serve 20 people.
During the Christmas season, we often see turkey ham on the supermarket shelves. They are high in salt and are considered a type of processed meat. Processed meat have been shown to increase cancer and heart disease risk. Hence, turkey meat itself is the healthier alternative. For the marinade, we are using olive oil, which is high in monounsaturated fat. It can reduce cholesterol levels and has anti-inflammatory effects.
Rub the Cajun spice and olive oil all over the turkey and under the skin. Then take it marinate. Next, I will make the gravy for the turkey. These are the ingredients to serve 20 people. I will roast the chicken bone at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes until it turns brown. The roasted bone will enhance the flavor and add natural color to the gravy. Next, I will melt the soft margarine on the pan over medium heat. Then I add in the vegetables and saute until they soften.
Gravy adds flavor and gives the meat a moist texture, but store-bought gravy is usually high in fats and sodium. For this gravy, chef has created a no-salt added recipe. Soft margarine is used instead of butter. They usually come in plastic tubs and are smooth to spread. To find margarine with lower saturated fat, look for those with a healthier choice symbol.
Now we're going to add in corn flour, mixed herb, roasted chicken bone and water. Stir well to mix everything and bring the gravy to boil. For this gravy, no salt is added. Instead, we will be relying on the herbs to bring out the flavor. When the gravy starts to boil, reduce to low heat. They cook for 1 to 1.5 hours. Stir it every 5 to 10 minutes so that it's not burnt. And after it's cooked, strain the gravy. Set it aside for use. We are going to roast the baby potatoes together with the turkey. Here are the ingredients for 10 people. Switch on the oven to preheat at 160 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. In the meantime, cut the potatoes into half.
A balanced meal includes food from all the important food groups: carbohydrates, protein, and vegetables. For this meal, the potatoes serve as our form of carbohydrates.
I'm going to toss the potatoes with olive oil, mixed herb, salt and pepper, put the potatoes into oven to bake for 25 to 30 minutes until they turn brown. Put the turkey in, press it on top of the grill neck to ensure that it cooks evenly. Roast it for 40 minutes. After that, rotate the pan and roast for another 40 minutes. Turn up the heat to 200 degrees to roast for another 10 minutes until it turns golden brown. Finally, we will prepare the sauted vegetable. These are the ingredients to serve 10 people. Bring a pot of water to boil. In the meantime, cut the Brussels sprout into half. Then put the Brussels sprout into the boiling water. Let them boil for 20 minutes. Then put in the baby carrot and boil for another 5 minutes. To check if the Brussels sprout is cooked, pierce is called with a fork. It is fully cooked when it is soft.
Vegetables are essential in our diet. They are a major source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are good for your body. Carrots are an excellent source of vitamin A, which plays an important role in eye health. Brussels sprouts may help to protect against many types of cancers. Not only are they rich in dietary fibers, but they also contain a lot of chlorophyll, which is an antioxidant and the green pigment often found in plants. The alternatives to Brussels sprouts are broccoli and cauliflowers, which are sometimes easier to find in supermarkets. Broccoli and cauliflower add color to your plates. They contain a lot of vitamin C and help boost your immune system.
Put the cooked vegetables in cold water to maintain their color and crunchiness. If left at room temperature, the Brussels sprout will turn yellow. In a hot pan, add in margarine, garlic, and the boiled vegetable. Saute for 5 to 10 minutes. Add in the mixed herbs, salt, and pepper to taste. Now the dishes are done, I am going to start plating them.
So chef will remove the skin of the turkey. The skin is high in saturated fats, which can increase blood cholesterol. Wow, all these dishes look so yummy.
Try them and let me know what you think.
It's so crispy and it's so flavorful with all the mixed herbs and olive oil. The carrots are really well cooked. Let me try the Brussels sprout. I love how the garlic flavor kind of infused into the carrots and sprouts. Okay, let's see the turkey. The turkey is really surprisingly moist. I think there must be this secret recipe that you have to follow. And the gravy actually adds extra moisture on it, so it's really nice to eat. The recipes are really easy, and I think my family and friends will be impressed if I make these for them.
I am happy you enjoy them.
Christmas is a season of giving. Give your body the best gift by eating healthily this festive season. Hope you enjoyed this video. We would like to wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!